Hi everyone, I was so excited to get Catherine Puller's Date Night ink pad series along with the Hip Hearts stamp and die collection. These are just so vibrant. I love the color combinations, and I actually just went crazy using them all on one card because I just was experimenting and seeing how vibrant these inks are. And they're so luscious. They are so great for printing, obviously stamping right away from the ink pad itself, but then they're also great for watercoloring. So I basically decided I'm going to use all the techniques I can, except for embossing, because I still don't have my embossing station set up in my new craft room. But I did use them directly as for stamping, directly from the ink pad, and then for watercoloring, as you see me doing here. And then I die cut. I was using my daughter's Sizzix Mini because it's much easier to transport. The dies were fairly small, and I can actually show you the die cutting process with my new camera mount. So once I had die cut the hearts, I decided I wanted to make a background by using these beautiful inks on my gel plate. And you don't need a lot because they are just wonderfully wet. It's just so easy to work with them on the gel plate. You just stamp it once and then you just roll it out with a brayer and done. Easy peasy background. And then I just used the part of the cardstock that I had cut out the hearts from to create this card. And I wanted it to be a little wonky. I love how the hearts are, they feel so sketchy and fun. So instead of using this as a landscape card, I decided to turn it around and then add sentiment strips to make it a vertical, a portrait card. So I hope you like it. This was really fun to work on and I enjoyed it a lot, and be on the lookout for some other things that I'll be making with these inks and these stamps. Thanks so much for watching.